I'm here at the river once again. I'm not doing any good. Last 4 days, it's been a wreck. Today I'm out here trying to carp fish and maybe try to get me a bass. Still looking for my first one of the year. I don't know how well this is going to go over. It's supposed to rain in about an hour. The river's still really fast. I'm hoping I can get something today. Anything. Throw out some corn. I already got it in the water, set up. I'm going to put some bait on my bait caster and see what I can do. It's been pretty awful this spring. So, anyways, let's get to it and see what we can get in the short amount of time that I have to fish. Well, I had to get back to the car because it started pouring down rain. I'm going to see if I can wait it out and hopefully it'll stop so I can go back, because it would be the case that I would go over there. As soon as I started getting bites, it started to freaking rain. And I tried to wait a little bit longer because I was getting a bite. I got too anxious. I pulled the rod to try to set the hook and it was gone. I'm really hoping that this rain stops so I can get back out there and maybe catch a couple and give some content for you guys. But I don't know. It's supposed to pretty much rain all day. I'm really hoping that get something. It's been a little while since I've caught a fish, so you know, let's just hope and pray that this rain stops. See what we can do.
I think I'm already getting some bites on it, some nibbles. Yep, there it is. Wait for it. Come on, take it. Okay, take that off. Oh, take it. All right, only been out here 5 minutes. It's a little guy. No. Damn it. Well, I caught one, but the sucker got away from me. Slipped right out of my hands. Slipped right out of my hands. It wasn't very big, but once again, I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using this sliding adjustable or quick release, you know, and got my bead, got my swivel, got my leader, and I got a little crappie hook. Like I said, it catches me fish. It's not the most conventional, but it catches fish. Let's get back to work on this. Can't believe that thing slipped right through my hands. I said I tried. Should have brought him up a little higher. That was my fault. Shoot and get another one. Come on, hit it. Come on, it's starting to freaking sprinkle again. See it? It's tapping it. There it is. I ain't letting this one go. Ooh, he's a fighter. He does not want to come in easy. I can tell you that. No, don't break. These river carp are strong. All right, look at that. Finally got him settled down. And he's not bad. Not bad at all. Say it's a couple pounds. And yeah, finally got him wrestled in. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna let you go. There it is. Damn it. Sorry, I had my GoPro off. This thing snuck up on me. It's probably the one that was earlier. Come on over here, you little spunky guy. All right, he's definitely not the biggest, but nonetheless, he's still pretty fun to catch. You know, so he's bleeding out of his mouth, so I'm gonna put him back. He's bleeding pretty good, so. And if you have young ones and stuff, you know, carp is a great fish to catch because they're easy to catch and they're everywhere. So I mean, can't really go wrong with them. A lot of people think they're not great fighters. The ones in the river, I beg to differ. You know, they put up a mean fight. So maybe ponds, they don't fight very well because they're not very strong. They just die. As you can see here, these fish don't give up quite that easy. You know, they're just not gonna roll over and just let you reel them in. That's not the way these carp work in this river. So it's a good way to get, you know, a child into fishing and stuff. You know, go out and catch some carp. Let them catch bigger fish and stuff. And, you know, but sometimes it's not about size that matters when it comes to fishing. You know, kids just love catching fish, period, no matter what the size. I got here early in the morning. and I was only out for about an hour, and then it started to kind of rain. As soon as it started raining, I started getting bites, but then it came down really hard. I went and sat in the car for a while, but it just kept raining. So then I went home, it stopped raining, so I went back out. Then I ended up catching me 3 small little carp. They weren't very big, but you know, pound and a half, maybe 3 pushing it. But no, I mean, it wasn't too bad. Still, I was able to get out and catch some fish, and you know, that's all it was worth to me. At least my 4-day slump is over with. So I'm gonna try to get out tomorrow and hit it up again. But it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, so we'll see how that goes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.